Martin, okay.
Just to satisfy ourselves that you're here for a legitimate
Yeah,
cause,
yeah.
you are going to be detained for the purpose of a search under the Terrorism Act.
I'm going to be detained for a search.
Under the Terrorism
The first sentence out Campbell's mouth is a legal grenade. You're detained for a terrorism search. No hello, no warning, just instant escalation. In 15 seconds, the officer confesses the stop is for our satisfaction, not reasonable suspicion. Case law kryptonite that nukes the entire encounter before it even starts.
What are you filming?
Just the New Scotland Yard building.
Okay. This is not New Scotland Yard, this is Ministry of Defence.
Alright.
So what you're filming is all of the security arrangements for the Ministry of Defence.
Okay.
So I'd ask you not to do that.
Why?
I've just explained why.
Well, you haven't explained anything, you just said it's a gate.
Why, when I speak to people about filming it, you get defensive? But every time I speak to someone like you go
Yeah, I'm
defensive
sorry,
straight
I'm
away.
not trying to wind you up. You know what I
Well,
mean?
you are. All you need to do is move further that way, then you'll get the building you want, and not the building we don't want, really. Because
So what, can I not film that?
you can film it, but we'd rather you didn't.
This can all be seen on Google Earth, mate, so this isn't valuable.
But yeah, we're adding to it. You're adding. I don't understand why you can't see that. I really don't. You're just being irresponsible.
I'm not being irresponsible.
You are. I don't get it.
No, mate, this is a right to do this. This is a freedom to do this.
Yes,
So
there's a right to do a lot of things, but you're not doing them either, are you? So what are you going to do?
I'm gonna film it.
Why?
I want to.
Okay, these guys are probably going to have a word with you.
Watch the Volti face in real time. You can film, but we'd rather you didn't. That polite plea is admission filming is lawful. Google Earth finishes the job by proving every pixel is already public. The cop's argument collapses faster than a house of cards in a hurricane, and Cole hasn't even raised his voice yet.
What are you doing filming?
Just filming anything I can see.
What's the purpose of that, if you don't mind me asking?
Just matters of public interest.
Oh, what public interest?
The public are interested.
In what?
You lot, I've got some mad gear on, man. You're making me feel a bit nervous.
Don't be nervous.
You got a gun, yes.
Yeah, don't be nervous. We're from the Met Special Crimes Command.
Okay.
What's your interest in this building? Obviously, you're filming quite an iconic public site.
Yeah. Now, obviously, like I said, the public are interested. People want to know how their tax money is being spent, interactions with police.
How does filming this wall gonna...
You'll be surprised, man. A lot of people watch it. A lot of people are interested. So
Have
that's
you
what
any
it is.
idea on you by any chance?
I don't have any idea, no.
Are you known to police?
No, I'm not known, man.
You've never been arrested?
Never. No, I've been arrested. I've never been charged.
Okay. We'll do a quick check on you to make sure everything's all legit.
I'm not going to give any details.
Why is that?
I don't need to. I haven't committed a crime.
Well, you're right.
You're saying as if like it's like my obligation to give my details.
No, I'm not saying that at all. You haven't
You
committed a
identify
crime, but
yourself.
Obviously, what you're doing is quite suspicious, isn't it?
Well, I've explained it, to be fair.
Enter nervous gunman with a carbine and a smile. You got a gun? Yes, don't be nervous. The absurdity of an armed officer begging calm, while causing the anxiety, is peak irony. Cole keeps the tone light, but the power imbalance is visually deafening. State force on display, legitimacy on thin ice.
Could you identify yourself?
I'm PC Campbell. I said that originally.
Campbell, alright, thank you, sir. And you, miss?
Easy Martin.
Martin, okay.
Just to satisfy ourselves that you're here for a legitimate
Yeah,
cause,
yeah.
you are going to be detained for the purpose of a search under the Terrorism Act.
I'm going to be detained for a search.
Under the Terrorism Act.
Yeah.
I'm PC Campbell from the Met
Right, you
Special
can search me.
Crimes
Can I just keep this rolling?
Command. Yeah, for the time being with us. Bear me
What do
for
you mean
a
I'm still
second.
staying there?
Bear me for
You
a second.
search me, you're happy that I'm not a terrorist, I'm going.
I'm going to confirm you're not committing any offences for that purpose.
I'm not committing an offence.
I'm going to confirm that. For that purpose.
Come on, man. What you just done was unlawful. What you just
It wasn't
done was
unlawful.
illegal.
I've told
You
you
have not got
legally for it.
grounds, mate.
If you want a copy
Public
of the
photography is not
you can collect it from
I want a copy of the search.
Well, you
You
can
didn't
collect
say,
it
what were you
from
expecting to
London.
find then? What were you expecting to find?
Evidence that suggests that you're here for a terrorist purpose.
No, what specific item?
Any evidence that suggests that you're here for a terrorist
You
purpose.
didn't tell me that. You just went ahead and done it.
Are you happy with
Nah, that's not cool, bro. That's not cool, man. You can't do that. You can't do that. What you've just done is unlawful. You can't do that. You've let them get on with it. So you're culpable as well. You can't do that.
Right, as I explained,
Can't
you're
do that.
filming this site and you can't
I don't
decide
care.
why you're filming.
I don't care. I've
It's
told you why I'm filming. I've told you why I'm filming. You didn't have grounds to do that.
The moment of no return. Section 43 invoked. Cameras roll. Cuffs stay holstered. Campbell's own justification? To satisfy ourselves. That's not legislation. That's therapy. Cole labels the search unlawful on the spot, and the officer's silence is louder than any siren. He knows the paperwork dragon is about to bite.
Public photography isn't a crime.
As I explained though, as you were filming...
So what are the grounds then? What are the grounds?
My colleague explained it to you. You've got
What?
it on your
Filming
camera.
outside? No. That's not grounds. That's not grounds. Grounds are based on objective facts. Section 43 of the Terrorist Act 2000, yeah? Section 44 was repealed by the European Court of Human Rights. because you lot were doing this, and now you're using section 43. I know you didn't. I was just saying section 44 was repelled.
Yeah, I know it was.
For this reason.
Well, no,
Stopping photographers and that. Yeah,
Well,
no, what you done is not cool. I'm sure you're a good guy in that, but this isn't cool.
It was stopped because people were using it for search people with no grounds.
Listen, we had a conversation and I told you, you don't have grounds, mate.
We do have grounds.
You don't have
You might
grounds,
have given
mate.
us a reason.
You don't have grounds, mate.
You might have given us a reason, but it's not a satisfactory reason, is it? You've told us that you're here to film public interest. You're filming a wall, which is a secure gate into the House of Parliament.
But I can see it from Google Maps, mate.
Yeah, you might be able to. That doesn't give you reason to conduct hostile reconnaissance of it, does it?
It's not hostile reconnaissance,
Well,
mate.
you
Don't
haven't-
talk
I
nonsense, man.
can't confirm that because I've asked you for your details to do some checking and you refuse to give us any details.
I ain't giving you details.
Exactly. So how do I then prove that you're not here for a terrorist purpose without searching to make sure you've not got anything terrorist related on you at the minute? Answer me that question.
Because filming in public isn't grounds.
Well, you're not filming in public, are you?
I am filming in public. This is a public footpath.
You're filming the footpath for me, Paul. That you were filming into that gate, which is a protected premises of the House of Parliament.
Cross-examination on the curb. What exactly did you expect to find? The question loops 4 times. The answer never arrives. Blank stares, shuffled feet, procedural vapor lock. This is the exact second qualified immunity evaporates in HD. If you can't name the item, you can't name the power.
So how do I confirm that you're not here for a
I've got my
terrorist
rights.
purpose?
I've got my rights.
You might have your rights. So they haven't been violated. So
They have been violated. That was an unlawful search because filming isn't grounds. Filming isn't grounds. Filming isn't grounds.
I've told you a number of times why it's not
Filming isn't grounds.
unlawful.
Filming from
You can say
public
that
isn't
all
grounds.
you like,
Bro,
but
I can see it. All this, I can see it on Google Maps.
Yeah, no, and I
can see it from
didn't
Google
confirm
Maps.
that you're not here to conduct hostile reconnaissance.
I'm not doing a hostile reconnaissance.
How do I know that?
We're talking on a normal one.
How do I know that?
I ain't been rude.
How do I know that?
Because you know, man. Deep down, you know I'm not a terrorist. You know.
How do I know that you're not a
You didn't even
terrorist?
put me in cuffs, bro.
I didn't need to. If I put you in cuffs, I guarantee you would have complained about that as well.
Yeah, I would have
If you,
complained.
if you presented a threat to me,
Like I said, I ain't got an
I probably
issue
would have put
with
you on the floor, but you didn't present a threat to me, did you? So I don't need to use that level of force.
Yeah, because you knew I weren't a terrorist.
I didn't know you weren't a terrorist until I
Then
searched
what, you should have put me on. I hope you would put a terrorist on the floor, man.
But if you were a terrorist,
If you genuinely believe that I was a terrorist.
terrorism, I would have put you on the floor.
No, but you searched me under a terrorist legislation.
Because I believe that you were conducting hostile reconnaissance to the House of Parliament.
Okay, House of Parliament. I thought that was Scotland Yard.
This isn't Scotland Yard.
Nah.
Nope.
Okay.
Public footpath, public gate, public interest. Cole unleashes a tourist whataboutism grenade. They take selfies here daily. The cops' only retreat is, don't be surprised if police attention follows. Confessing the search was punitive curiosity, not protective intel. Rights are revoked by officer feelings. Game, set, match.
Scotland Yard is very clearly signposted. It's a bit further down the road.
I thought that's New Scotland Yard, literally right there.
You were filming into that gate, weren't you? That's not
Either way, man.
That's not Scotland Yard. This is what I'm saying to you.
I'm still in public though. I can film all this stuff. What about the tourists and that taking photos of London Eye? Are they going to attack? What about them people taking photos of London Eye?
You can film it all you like, but all I'm saying is don't be surprised if you get police attention because we suspect that you're conducting a hostile reconnaissance.
Yeah, but you didn't have to search me, man. You didn't have to detain me in that.
How do I confirm otherwise that you're not conducting a
Because you
hostile
spoke to me and I gave a reasonable explanation.
And how do I confirm that without you giving me information to me to check on our system to suggest that you're not, wanted or known to...
I'm not wanted, I'm
Yeah,
not
but you
known
can
to
tell me that, but people lie to me all the time, don't they?
You can use your judgment, man. I feel like you know that I'm not a threat, really.
I don't know you, I've never met you before. So you can use your
Despite
judgment...
that, you still didn't put me in cuffs. Fair play. Despite that, you didn't put me in
I
cuffs.
didn't need to put you in cuffs. If I needed to put you in cuffs, I would have put you in cuffs. Do you want a
I
copy?
don't doubt that, man.
Do you want a copy of your search slip?
Yes, please.
Stand by.
Again, like that wasn't all needed. Like
I appreciate
it was
that.
inappropriate.
It's interesting to film, and the fact that you can't tell us
The public interest, the public are interested in stuff like this.
Like
Interactions with police, how police deal with public photographers, stuff like that. Is that alright, Campbell? Yeah. Can I get a slip? Alright, cool. So what? Can I continue filming now?
You can film all you like.
Yeah. Alright.
Paperwork shuffle and a sheepish search slip. No contraband, no apology, no lesson learned, just a quiet hum of embarrassment. The terrorism stop dissolves into administrivia, proving the entire spectacle was security theater with bad actors. Curtain falls, accountability nowhere in sight.